Hello, I'm Dr. K. Mishra from R Classes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel R Classes. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on computer fundamentals. This is part 5. Now come to the questions. Question number 1. The task of performing operations like arithmetic and logical operations is called dash A. Processing, B. Storing, C. Editing, D. Sorting. Correct option is A. Processing. 2. ALU and control unit jointly known as A. RAM, B. ROM, C. CPU, D. PC. Correct option is C. CPU. 3. RAM is an example of A. Secondary memory, B. Primary memory, C. Main memory, D. Both A and B. Correct option is B. Primary memory. 4. Magnetic disk is an example of A. Secondary memory, B. Primary memory, C. Main memory, D. Both. Correct option is A. Secondary memory. 5. Which one of the following is not a computer language? A. MS Excel, B. Basic, C. COBOL, D. C++. Correct option is A. MS Excel. 6. RAM is also called as, the correct option is A. Read or write memory. 7. Dash store data or information temporarily and pass it on as directed by the control unit. A. Address, B. Register, C. Number, D. Memory. Correct option is B. Register. 8. Select the odd one. So a correct option is A. Operating system. 9. A dash is an additional set of commands that the computer displays after you make a selection from the main menu. A. Dialog box, B. Submenu, C. Menu selection, D. All. Correct option is A. Dialog box. 10. COBOL is an acronym for, the correct option is A. Common Business Oriented Language. 11. All of the following are examples of real security and privacy risks except, the correct option is B. Spam. 12. Which of the following is not one of the 4 major data processing functions of a computer? So here correct option is C. Analyzing the data or information. 13. All of the following are examples of storage devices except, here correct option is B. Printers. 14. The CPU and memory are located on the A. Expansion board, B. Motherboard, C. Storage device, D. Output device. Correct option is B. Motherboard. 15. Dash is the science that attempts to produce machines that display the same type of intelligence that humans do. A. Nanoscience, B. Nanotechnology, C. Simulation, D. Artificial intelligence, AI. Correct option is D. AI, artificial intelligence. 16. Servers are computers that provide resources to other computers connected to A. Networked, B. Mainframe, C. Supercomputer, D. Client. Correct option is B. Mainframe. 17. When creating a computer program, the dash designs the structure of the program. A. End user, B. System analyst, C. Programmer, D. All. Correct option is B. System analyst. 18. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language at one time is called A or an A. Interpreter, B. Simulator, C. Characters, D. Compiler. Correct option is D. Characters. 19. Computers process data information by working exclusively with A. Multimedia, B. Word, C. Numbers, D. Characters. Correct option is C. Numbers. 20. The difference between people with access to computers and the internet and those without this access is known as the, here correct option is A. Digital. 21. Computers manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called A. Upgrading, B. Processing, C. Batching, D. Utilizing. Correct option is B. Processing. 22. The ability to recover and read deleted or damaged files from a criminal's computer is an example of a law enforcement specialty called, the correct option is C. Computer forensics. 23. Where does most data go first within a computer memory hierarchy? Correct option is A. RAM. 24. The dash data mining technique derives rules from real world case examples So correct option is C, neural nets. 25. Dash are used to identify a user who returns to a website. So here correct option is A, cookies. 26. Codes consisting of lines of varying widths or lengths that are computer readable are known as, here correct option is C, sharing copyrighted files without permission breaks copyright laws. 28. Reusable optical storage will typically have the acronym, here correct option is D, or W. 29. The most common type of storage devices are, the correct option is B, optical. 30. A device that connects to a network without the use of cables is said to be A, distributed, B, free, C, centralized, D, none. So here from among the option available, here correct option is D, none. So this is all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of